It's been 7 years since we left the city for the off-grid jungle life. 7 years of building our food forest and working towards self-sustainability. I still go for a jog every other morning, then followed by squeezing fresh orange and mandarin juice for Snoopy and I. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but we really love having freshly squeezed juice every morning. My favourite hair care company, Morrocco Method. Their products are handcrafted in the USA, and I've been using their shampoo and conditioner bar for almost a year now, and it's working great for my hair. I've been really wanting to try a body scrub because I've got layers and layers of grime building up out here in the jungle, and my skin really just needs to be scrubbed clean. So I've been using their sea salt body scrub, and it's honestly really nice because especially it's not only exfoliating for your skin, but after you wash it off, you're left with this really nice moisturized skin because it contains a whole bunch of really moisturizing oils. And a lot of the power of the exfoliating scrub comes from walnut shell. So here we are at the creek for a bit of a wash down in the orange, murky, silty water. And I thought I heard someone there creeping around, but yeah, it's a bit of a challenge in the creek. You've got to do it really quickly, and the fish also like to bite sometimes.
Maybe got a little suckers to bite me.
So this is Morrocco Method's dry shampoo, and it's really perfect for me at the moment because of the cyclone. I can't wash my hair in the creek without getting like a lot of, this muddy silt. So it's just great in between washes, which it's been a very long time for me. And it's actually making my hair feel thicker and have more volume. And you can see, here's a comparison from a couple of years ago. So my hair is actually doing really well using these products.